Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my PC build which I have done yesterday from Nehru Place in New Delhi. I will also tell you what all need to be taken care of before visiting Nehru Place and thinking of building a PC there. So let's start. So before even thinking of building a computer PC, you should have research ready with you. You should do research online like I did. Last PC I assembled myself in year 2003 when I was in class 11th. So it was a 17 years gap in between until yesterday. So this story starts 1 month, it was started on 28th November when I left my company because in my last previous company I was using Core i7 and I used in like around three laptops in a span of 7 years. So I was looking for something, something lag-free system where there is no lag. You can do multiple tasks and you can open multiple tabs and all. So I was searching for a laptop initially. Then I have visited 2 3 times for the Nehru Place for the laptop only. But I found those laptops a little costly. So I thought, okay, I will build a PC. So what I did is I researched about the Ryzen core, then Intel and all, and I thought that going for a Ryzen is better than the Intel, and going for a PC is better than the laptop because right now I am not working and I am at home only. So PC can be used for the my kids online classes and all. So what I've done is I have researched a lot on the online for the processor, and you see this is my famous book which I use in my all videos also. So you see here, I have wrote down so many of quotations, so many of things in my book, like just example here. So you see, I wrote like I'm looking for a AS ROG B450 AC. Then I got pricing from online, offline, and all. This is all my like I have also searched for OLX for used product or open box things. Then here all again I wrote some pricing. I used to visit with this diary to the Nehru Place. So and then I ultimately I fixed on this was my fixed what do you call configuration. So after researching a lot, I opted for this Ryzen 5 3400G ASRock B450 Steel Legend or B45M. I will tell you which one I have used. Initially, I was looking for MD WD M.2 250 GB. Then Corsair this 3200 mAh solar 16 GB. Then also cabinet also I have searched a lot because there are some cabinets which looks good but are very lighter in weight. If it is lighter, it means the metal is not used properly. It's a low quality metal. So then power supply, then UPS also require monitor and RGB fan. It was like okay, I need a little different research on that, so I did not purchase right now. And then Jabronix mouse and keyboard. So this processor, RAM, and all these things was fixed. So I was looking for this configuration, and for this I have visited so many shops and I wrote so many of quotations. So if I show you my paperwork, see here, there are few paper which I have thrown. See here, I have visited so many times, and if you see here, I have wrote the date also, on what date I got this price. So like this on 9/12 this was the price like this, and then 16th I visited like this, 16th. So on every quotation, whenever I'm getting price for the from the Nehru Place shop owners, I used to write dates and all. And if the number is missing, I used to write numbers. See here. So this is all my paperwork. So before making building PC, assembling a PC is not that tough, but researching behind that is so tough. And I think you should do research because you are investing your money, right? See here, the famous cost to cost also I visited like this. This is cost to cost, so many, but this is the cost to cost original, a famous shop in the Nehru Place, and this like this. So if I tell you that how many shops I visited, maybe around 20 25 shops because I missed out some papers. So guys, I have already assembled, not me actually. I got this PC assembled from the shop owner. All the assembly has been done in front of me. So right now I can show you the boxes, I can show you the what all items I have used, and I will show you my cabinet also. So this is the Ryzen 5 3400G. Initially, I was looking for a graphics, separate graphics card, but I thought, okay, my like my I don't need that much, so I can save some money on that. So I opted for a processor which has got in built graphics card. So in this processor, you can see it's 3400G, and the cores are like 4 and threads are 8. So you can search for this thing. The MRP here written on this box is around 20,000. Yes. So second thing is SSD. SSD initially I was looking for WD green, but then I found that there are some speeds, that also depends on the solid state drive, that what speed you are taking. So it reflects on boot up, your Windows boot up speed. I chose Windows, no, WD Blue, but unfortunately it was not available yesterday, so I got this one. This is Kingston, still fine, 250 GB. Then 16 GB RAM. Yeah, I always push higher for the RAM. So 16 GB, 3200 mAh XPZ A-data RAM. This one because my motherboard doesn't have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so I opted for this for the Wi-Fi connectivity. And this was my this is one of the best looking and solid motherboard in the market. B450 Steel Legend. There are two variant of this Legend. One comes with the M B450M, that is a smaller one. From this, it has got everything like polychrome sync, RGB, and all. You can use the third generation, fourth generation of desktop Ryzen. So many of information on the back, and then here a transformer, Jabronics combo of mouse and keyboard. So I think this and the cabinet I have got Cooler Master L501L, that I will show you in little bit of time. So guys, this is my cool looking CPU. You can see here, this is B450M, so not M, B450 Steel Legend ASRock. It has got very nice RGB. I will show you little later when I switch it on. So here we have got all the IOs also there. I will show you. So this is the RAM which I was talking about. So I will just insert the RAM, and so this one is the SSD NVMe. I put in M.2 slot, and these are the heat sink for the M.2. I will just install it. So this is how it looks after the installing of Armor heatsink on the SSD. And let me also show you my power supply. The power supply is you can see here, it is Atom Antec 450. And in this cabinet there we have got two fans pre-installed. One is RGB and one is normal, and one normal is on the rear side and one RGB is on here side, this side. Once I switch it on, I will show you more of this. So guys, this is the cover of the PC, and it goes like this. This is on the down side and this is on the upper side. I'm sorry, I think yeah, like this. So let me fix it and I will show you. So these are very easy nut to screw it here. You can use your hand only to screw it. That is a good thing. So guys, I have connected this to power supply, and now I have switched on. See, this is how it looks, and this is the Jabronics keyboard and mouse. So this is here our IO panel of the B450 Steel Legend. You can see it has got display port, HDMI, 1 2 3 4 6, around 6 USB type C also there, then audio out also there, and two normal 2 gen USB upside. And this is the looks. So RGB is syncing. I have did the setting in the motherboard software. And this is the look from the front of Cooler Master. So this was the first one RGB fan which is installed inside. Nothing here. So I'm going to add some additional fans on the upper side. We can add 3 fans here. We can add 2 more fans in the front here. So it will be having 1, 3 and 3, 6 and 7 fans, and you can install 2 fans on the power supply slot also. So I hope you liked this build, and I will put all the details in the description about the pricing and all. And at last I would like to tell you that you should do a lot of research. You should get pricing from as many as shops you can, and then make Excel sheet and compare the price. Stick to one configuration. If you want to change something, you can change the RAM and all, RAM or maybe cabinet or power supply, but do not change your motherboard or processor. Stick to those 2 components, and then find out the pricing in the market. Yeah, I know there are some bad shoppers also in the Nehru Place, but this shopper actually, I forgot to tell you that I have got the Windows also installed from this person, and this window is activated. And let's see how long this Windows goes on, because it's not original, but it is also not pirated, because it is showing me Windows activated. So that's all in this video. If you would like to have some information, please please comment. I will try to give your reply on each and every comment. Please, if you like my video, please hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Rana Space. Let's meet in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.